Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to learn how to downgrade your macOS Ventura to macOS Monterey earlier final public macOS. For that first, we remove Mac enrollment if you are using the beta version of macOS Ventura, then erase the USB drive in a compatible format and then create a bootable drive after downloading the macOS Monterey setup file. And install on your Mac drive volume or partition. Let's do it in a complete guide. To remove the macOS Ventura beta profile if installed, go to the Apple logo and click on System Settings. Now, go to General and Software Update. Wait for a few seconds until you see the Details option on the page. Click on it and see the pop-up with the Restore Defaults option. Now, enter your Mac login password to unlock it. Wait for a few seconds and your Mac is removed beta. Skip this step if your Mac installed public version of Mac. Now, let's download the macOS Monterey app to your Mac. Open the App Store link to your browser and click on View in the Mac App Store. Now your Mac App Store shows the macOS Monterey with Get option. Click on Get to download on your Mac. If your Mac doesn't respond due to restrictions, then try on a different Mac running on macOS Monterey. Due to privacy reasons, Apple might not allow downloading setup for you. Once the setup is downloaded, check Saved macOS Monterey setup file. Open Finder on Mac, and open Applications folder. And see Install macOS Monterey setup file. See on my screen. Now, prepare your bootable USB drive for macOS Monterey. First, erase your USB drive that has 16 GB of more storage in a compatible format. Open the Disk Utility app on your Mac, select your external USB drive from the left side of the window. Now, click on Erase button from the top and choose an option. Give name USB, keep the format, macOS Extended, Journaled, and Scheme is GUID partition map. Click on Erase. Wait for the successfully erased. Now, create a bootable drive using the terminal command. Open Terminal on your Mac using Spotlight Search. And see the command for macOS Monterey bootable drive. Paste the command given in the video description or another source as well. But make sure USB name is matched. Here's my USB name is USB, so don't need to change anything. Just hit the return to run the command. And your Mac will ask you to enter your Mac login password. Type the password and hit the return to verify. Now, just wait for your USB drive to erase first, then copy the macOS installation file to your USB drive. It will take time depending on USB writing speed. It will take around 10 minutes or less. Finally, you will get the message, Install Media now available at. And now ready to install macOS Monterey on macOS Ventura partition or volume. Now, put your Mac in recovery mode and find the USB installed drive and start installation. To detect your Mac in recovery mode process is different for M1 and Intel Mac. Follow the right option to get your bootable installed drive and start the installation. Here's my M1 Mac showing bootable drive. Follow the steps given on the screen. For M1 Mac, shut down your Mac. After 10 seconds, press and hold on the power button until you see the continue holding the startup options and then loading startup options. Now, you will see the bootable USB drive name, Install macOS Monterey. Select the drive and click on the Continue button. Wait for a few seconds to verify and see the drive to install it from the macOS recovery window. And click on the Next button. Select your profile to adjust all old settings to the new installation, enter your Mac login password. Next, you will see the option to install the macOS Monterey window. Click on the Continue button. Now select the volume or partition if you installed multiple macOS on the dual partition. Here I want to install it on the macOS beta partition where macOS Ventura is installed. Select the drive and continue. If you are getting any errors or can install with error, this volume cannot be downgraded. See the solution from the link on the top iCard or video description. In this case, you have to erase partition using Disk Utility in recovery mode. Then try again. Now follow the on-screen setup and install it successfully. For more help, please comment to me. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more updates.